EM system is with two kinds for choice, single channel and double channel. Our EM system can detect different sizes of EM strips. EM strip is normally pasted on the back of books. We also supply different EM deactivator for choice. Deactivator could use to deactivate and reactivate EM strips. We use deactivator to deactivate the EM label. Then it will lose function. And use the deactivator to reactivate the label to make it work again. The alarming rate of EM system is higher than 99% and the error alarming rate is lower than 1%.